look at the Pacific Ocean from Ocean Shores, Washington. Hard to believe people actually swim in this because it's not exactly what we call warm water. Much different than, say, the Atlantic Ocean or Florida. However, you can drive your car right on the beach here, which is kind of interesting. Or just find a random piece of driftwood and plop down. Or people on the way back there, they're riding a horse, which is something. People can bring their dogs to the beach. People fly these really big kites. I don't know how well you can see in the distance of that minivan, but big green and black kite people are flying. People just drive back and forth on the beach like it's a highway. The tide's coming in right now, so they're trying to move their cars so they don't get sucked up by the ocean.